and welcome back to 108 Contemporary's Embroidery Craft Kit series. In this video, you'll learn how to create the French knot. Let's get started. Start with your threaded needle on the back side. On your pattern, the French knots will be marked with just a plain dot. You'll pierce through in that dot and pull forward. Lay your work down on a sturdy surface, picking up the thread in one hand and the needle in another. And then from the top over the needle and back around, you'll wrap the thread around the needle. You can also wrap it twice if for a thicker French knot. Once you have it wrapped, keep tension on that thread and pierce very close to where you came through the first time. Again, holding tension on that thread there, picking up the hoop, pulling that needle through and all the thread through the knot and letting go. And there you have the French knot. You can cut off before moving to the second one, and that will decrease the visibility of the traveling thread behind on the back side. But if you're not worried about that, or if the area of the knot is already filled in, then feel free to go on to the next one, and I'll show you one more time how to create that knot. In one hand we hold the thread, in the other the needle, wrapping around and holding tension, piercing through, lifting up, grabbing that needle on the back side, holding tension until we can let go and let that thread come through. It makes this beautiful little knot. Gives you some texture, and that one is an example of a little bit thicker with the 2 wraps. So there you have it, French knots. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.